By participating in a clinical trial, you take charge of your illness, help the entire Parkinson's community, and help find the cure. When I was newly diagnosed, I told myself there had to be something I could do to help myself fight this incurable, progressive disease. And when I stumbled across the term clinical trials, I knew that I had been right. I joined a clinical trial for a new treatment that might prove to be neuroprotective and slow or even stop the progression of Parkinson's. I did take some risks. A risk that the new drug wouldn't harm me, a risk that I would make a difference, and a risk that it would help me. Well, 2 out of 3 isn't too bad. In the end, the drug failed to be neuroprotective, and the trial failed because of that. But in a real way, that failed trial has become a huge success. Some more than 500 of the participants from that single trial have gone on to participate in many other trials because we are considered a kind of control group. So, what kinds of assessments are being made of us? Well, here's a list. You can take a look here. And we're also continuing to participate in clinical trials. And here's a list of some of them, and I have participated in all of these with a check mark. So that original trial is the trial that keeps on giving. And because of our continued participation, scientists continue to add new data about Parkinson's disease. So you never know what the outcome will be when you join a clinical trial. And no clinical trial is truly a failure because it adds to the scientific knowledge about the disease. And now a special plea. For those of you who are de novo patients, patients who are newly diagnosed and not yet on meds, I encourage you to consider the Michael J. Fox PPMI study. We, the entire community, needs your help. We need your participation to help scientists identify biomarkers for Parkinson's, biomarkers that may lead to the cure. Go to the Michael J. Fox website and search on PPMI.